How to connect Stripe to Shopify. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open and sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you have an account already in Shopify, all you have to do is to log in. Now you need to scroll down and then look for settings. So under settings, you will see here store detail, plan, billing, users and permissions. You just have to click this payments under users and permissions. Here you will see the following such as choose a provider, activate PayPal. We have here manual payments, add payment method, and so on. So all you have to do is to click this choose a provider. And one of these payment methods here or providers here is Stripe. Okay. And all you have to do is to click Stripe right here, and it will take you directly to another page where you need to enter or sign up if you don't have a Stripe account. If you have, what you're going to do is to just simply log into your account by typing your email address and also your mobile number. Once done, tap this send text and you will receive a code here. And what you're going to do is to enter the code that they have sent to your phone number. And then that's it. And then you can now continue with the process. Okay. And then after that, once you have entered some information here, then you can now go back to your Shopify. And below Shopify, you will see there that your Stripe account has been connected. All you have to do is to answer and enter some information here, like your personal details and some basic information. Okay, once you've provided that, you can go back and you'll see it right here that one of your payment provider here is Stripe. As easy as that. So that's how easy it is to connect Stripe to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.